how does Koko welcome a new classmate?
Good morning, Koko. I see you are watering the flowers so carefully today.
Good morning, Owlo. I love watching the little green leaves grow bigger every day.
That reminds me of something exciting. We have a new friend joining our class tomorrow.
A new friend? That sounds fun, but I wonder if they might feel a little scared.
That is very thoughtful, Koko. Starting a new place can feel a bit wobbly inside.
I remember feeling like that on my very first day here with you, Owlo.
I remember too. You held my wing so tightly and did not want to let go.
So, Owlo, how do I welcome a new classmate and help them feel happy here?
What a wonderful question. The first step is easy. Give them a big, warm smile.
A smile? Like this one? Look, Owlo, my whole face is smiling right now.
Perfect! A smile tells someone without any words that you are happy they are here.
Okay, I can do that. What comes after the smile, Owlo?
Next, you say hello and tell them your name. Then you ask for theirs too.
Hello, my name is Koko. What is your name, new friend? I can practice that.
You are doing wonderfully already. After that, you can invite them to play a game together.
Ooh, I could show them my favorite game with the bouncy ball in the garden.
That is a lovely idea. Sharing your toys or crayons also helps a new friend feel welcome.
I have lots of crayons in my art box. I can share the yellow one, my favorite.
Sharing your favorite color shows real kindness, Koko. That means a lot to someone new.
What if my new friend feels shy and does not want to talk right away?
That is perfectly okay. Some friends need a little more time to feel brave and comfortable.
So I should just stay close and keep being friendly, even if they are quiet?
Exactly right. Being patient and kind, even in silence, is one of the best gifts you can give.
I think I am ready. Tomorrow I am going to be the friendliest fox in the whole school.
I have no doubt about that at all. Should we practice one more time just for fun?
Yes. Hello, I am Koko, and I love the color yellow. Do you want to play with me?
That was wonderful, Koko. Your new friend is going to feel so happy meeting you tomorrow. Now, can you tell me everything you learned today about welcoming a new friend?
Sure, Owlo. First, I smile really big, like I just found a giant cookie. Then I say hello, tell them my name, and ask for theirs too. I invite them to play, share my favorite yellow crayon, and I am patient if they feel shy. Maybe next time we can learn how to help a friend who feels sad or left out.
That sounds like a beautiful thing to explore together very soon, Koko. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.